You open your fridge, you grab a yogurt. It looks fine, it smells fine, but then you see the date, expired yesterday, and suddenly your brain panics. Is it dangerous? Or is that date just a suggestion? Every year, billions of dollars worth of perfectly edible food gets thrown away because of one tiny printed number. But here's the surprising truth. Most expiry dates are not what you think they are. Why expiry dates exist? For most of human history, food had no dates. People relied on smell, taste, experience. If milk smelled sour, you didn't drink it. Simple. Expiry dates only became common in the 20th century when food began traveling long distances and being sold to strangers. Manufacturers needed a way to protect consumers, protect themselves from lawsuits, guarantee consistent quality. So dates were introduced, but not originally as safety warnings. They were quality markers, and that distinction changes everything. The confusing labels. This is where most people get it wrong. There isn't just one type of date. Best before about quality. After this date, flavor or texture may decline, but it's usually still safe. Use by about safety, especially for fresh meat, seafood, dairy. Sell by for stores, not you. It tells retailers when to rotate stock. So when someone says, "This is expired," they're often mixing up three completely different meanings. Who decides the date? Here's what surprises most people. In many countries, manufacturers decide the dates themselves. They test products under controlled conditions, temperature, packaging, storage time. Then they choose a date that guarantees the food still meets their quality standards, not necessarily the last safe day. To avoid legal risk, companies often choose conservative estimates, which means many foods last longer than the label suggests, especially canned goods, dry foods, frozen products. Unopened canned food can often last years beyond its printed date without becoming dangerous. When dates actually matter. So should you ignore them? Not exactly. Dates matter most for fresh meat, fresh seafood, unpasteurized dairy. These can become dangerous if mishandled. But for rice, pasta, chocolate, honey, canned goods, time affects quality more than safety. Your senses still matter. Smell, texture, appearance. A printed date is a guide, not a poison switch that activates at midnight. The hidden cost. The next time you hesitate before throwing food away, remember, expiry dates were created to guide quality and reduce risk, not to override common sense. Understanding them can save money, reduce waste, help you make smarter decisions. Because sometimes the most ordinary labels hide the most misunderstood truth.